Welcome, beautiful, and thank you for being here and experiencing this journey of enlightenment with Voice by Beauty. Have you ever pondered about the power of your own mind and soul? Imagine for a moment the vast expanse of the universe. Now consider that within each of us there is a universe just as vast, just as infinite, and just as mysterious. This is the realm of the mind, a place of untapped potential, of dreams unfulfilled, and of thoughts unexpressed. The mind is a powerful entity, capable of incredible feats. It has the capacity to create and to destroy, to heal and to harm, to inspire and to discourage. It is a tool, a weapon, a sanctuary, and a prison all rolled into one. But what if we could harness the power of the mind? What if we could unlock its potential and use it to lead a more balanced, fulfilled life? This is where the ancient practice of meditation comes in. Meditation is the key to the mind's treasure chest. It is the compass that guides us through the labyrinth of thoughts, the light that illuminates the dark corners of our psyche. Through meditation, we can cleanse our mind, body, and soul, washing away the dust of the mundane to reveal the diamond within. By meditating, we become a magnet for abundance. We cultivate a belief system where anything that isn't meant for us is cleansed and replaced with more love, more chances, more blessings, more open doors, and more miracles. We attract what is for us with ease. All that we desire becomes abundantly available to us. We always have what we need, for we are blessed. So let's embark on this journey of self-discovery and self-improvement. Let's delve into the depths of our minds and uncover the secrets that lie within. Let's cleanse, balance, and restore our minds, bodies, and souls, and let's do it together. Now, let's dive into a world where we unlock the secrets of the mind. Have you ever heard of affirmations and their impact on our lives? Imagine holding a magic wand that can reshape your reality, and this wand is nothing but the power of positive affirmations. They are simple yet potent statements that can alter the way we perceive ourselves and the world around us, guiding our thoughts and emotions towards a more positive, abundant life. Affirmations, when repeated with conviction and faith, can help us cleanse, balance, and restore our mind, body, and soul. They act as gentle reminders of our inherent potential and the abundance that the universe holds for us. In our guided meditation, we'll be using powerful affirmations like, "I am a magnet for abundance," "I always have what I need," and "I am blessed." These words will help you attract more love, more chances, more blessings, more open doors, and more miracles into your life. Ready to experience the power of these affirmations? Let's proceed. Close your eyes, relax your body, and open your mind to the power of affirmations. As we journey into this space of tranquility and self-awareness, let's allow the gentle waves of calmness to wash over us. Breathe in deeply, inhale the positivity and hope. Exhale all your worries and doubts. Feel your body settling into a state of complete relaxation, releasing all tension and resistance. Now let's introduce our first affirmation. Whisper to yourself, "I am a magnet for abundance." Let these words resonate within you. Visualize their energy radiating from your core, reaching out into the universe. You are a beacon of positivity, attracting good fortune, happiness, prosperity. Repeat this affirmation, "I am a magnet for abundance." Feel its truth seep into every fiber of your being. With each repetition, you are strengthening your bond with the universe, magnetizing your energy field to attract abundance. Remember, abundance is not just material wealth. It is love, it is peace, it is health, it is joy, it is fulfillment. You are a magnet for all these forms of abundance. Now let's move on to our next affirmation. Gently tell yourself, "I believe that anything that isn't meant for me will be cleansed." Believe in these words. Trust in the wisdom of the universe to cleanse away what doesn't serve your highest good. As you repeat this affirmation, imagine a bright, shimmering light enveloping you, washing away anything that's not in alignment with your true self. With every repetition, feel the light growing brighter, the cleansing becoming more profound. Trust that what is meant for you will always find a way. Believe that anything that isn't meant for you will be cleansed. It will always be replaced with more love, more chances, more blessings, more opened doors, and more miracles. Feel the power of these affirmations cleansing your mind and soul. As we conclude this part of our guided meditation, take a moment to bask in the peace and tranquility you've cultivated within. Remember, you are a magnet for abundance, and you have the power to cleanse and renew your spirit. Let's continue to cleanse, balance, and restore. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and join me on this journey of renewal. Feel the energy of the universe flowing through you, purifying your mind, body, and soul. Now let's call forth the abundance that is rightfully ours. Repeat after me. There will always be more love. Feel the warmth of love enveloping your heart, radiating outwards, touching every being in existence. Say with me, there will always be more chances. Each moment is a new opportunity, a fresh canvas, a chance to create something beautiful and meaningful. Now affirm, there will always be more blessings. Feel the joy of blessings raining down on you, nourishing your spirit, and filling your life with good fortune. Believe in the words, there will always be more open doors. Every closed door is simply a redirection to a door that opens up to greater opportunities. Finally, let us declare, there will always be more miracles. Life itself is a miracle, and every breath we take is a testament to the miraculous nature of existence. Now let's make a powerful statement of attraction. I attract what is for me with ease. Feel the magnetism of your spirit, drawing towards you all that is meant for you, effortlessly and naturally. Feel the power of these affirmations coursing through your veins. Let them seep into your subconscious, shaping your thoughts, your actions, and your reality. Remember, you are a magnet for abundance. You attract love, opportunities, blessings, miracles, and all that is good. And anything that isn't meant for you will be cleansed, replaced with more, because there will always be more. Take a deep breath. Feel the energy of the universe responding to your call, aligning itself to your desires. You are not just a drop in the ocean, you are the entire ocean in a drop. You are infinite, boundless, and immeasurably powerful. Feel the abundance flowing to you with ease. Let's continue this journey of self-discovery and empowerment. As we deepen our meditation, let these words resonate within you. All that I desire is abundantly available to me. Picture each word as a golden seed planted deep within your being. It's a seed that is meant to grow and flourish, filling you with the assurance that you are a magnet for abundance. Every aspiration, every dream, every longing that you hold, it's all within your reach. Picture these desires manifesting in your life, materializing from the ether of thoughts into the tangible reality. You are not wanting, you are not lacking. You are in a state of abundance where all that you desire is not just a possibility but a certainty. Now let's weave another affirmation into the fabric of our meditation. I always have what I need. I am blessed. Feel these words echo within you, reverberating through every atom, every cell of your being. You are blessed, not just in the material sense, but in every aspect of your life. You are blessed with strength to face challenges, with wisdom to make the right decisions, with love to share and spread, with opportunities to grow and learn. You are blessed with the gift of life, with the ability to experience, to feel, to love, to dream. You are blessed not because of what you have, but because of who you are. Let these affirmations, all that I desire is abundantly available to me, and I always have what I need. I am blessed, become your compass, guiding you through life with confidence and grace. Let them fill you with an unwavering belief in your own power, your own worth, and your own potential. Embrace the abundance that is your birthright. Accept the blessings that are bestowed upon you. You are a magnet for all things good, all things beautiful, all things meant for you. As we conclude this meditation, carry these affirmations with you. Let them be the mantra that guides your thoughts, your actions, your life. Feel the abundance and blessings that are now part of your reality. How do you feel now? More balanced, cleansed, and restored, perhaps? We've journeyed together through the power of the mind and the transformative capability of affirmations. You've experienced a guided meditation that aimed to cleanse, balance, and restore your mind, body, and soul. You've repeated the affirmations, I am a magnet for abundance. Anything that isn't meant for me will be cleansed and replaced with more. There will always be more love, chances, blessings, open doors, and miracles. I attract what is for me with ease. All that I desire is abundantly available to me. I always have what I need. I am blessed. Remember these words and their power. Use them daily to attract positivity and abundance into your life. The journey of self-discovery and inner peace is a continuous one. Remember, you are a magnet for abundance. Subscribe to our channel for more empowering meditations. Until next time, stay blessed.